Hello, welcome to SXX channel. We'll explore the DEEPWEB chat rooms. So let's fire up our Kali Linux here. We'll go to the Tor browser to access in the DEEPWEB chat rooms. This not been nothing. Okay, so it has been opened, connected. So let's visit some of the DEEPWEB chat rooms here. It have been a lot of the links here. So let's pick one of it and see what's inside there, what's going inside there. Probably there is the dark forest, black cat grove, like the various type of group. So we'll visit the black hat. So let's visit there. Be sure we have the VPN connected in your system, and as far as possible try to keep your identity hidden there. It's not a safe place to visit unsafely. So let's we have given the username lazy and solve the captcha here. So let's pick up our caller, the chat caller. We have picked a red. Let's enter it. They have entered. So here you can see various stuffs going on here. Here so many links are provided, but I recommend you not to visit any links without a clear information about it. It's really not a safe place. Be safe. So here the random peoples are, I think, speaking to random peoples. They are replying to each other with the links or some of the questionnaire. I don't know what's going on here. So if you guys really understand what's here, then comment me out. Again, disclaimer, please don't visit the DEEPWEB without the VPN, without the good VPN, and without the knowledge of it. It's actually not a safe place. Various type of crime is going on here. So let's visit some other chat rooms. Here we dark forest. It's the dark forest, really. The forest is dark there. So now let's register here for the new user. Type my username lazy, password, some random password. You can do whatever you like. And here is the code. It's the zigzag captcha here, but you probably solve it to enter it. It's the 2 7 8 8. Can trying here. I think the exit node will be the beginning point and the last node will be the exit point, I think. Oh yes, it has been, so it's fully registered here. So now let's type the username and password and let's sign in. So you have entered the dark forest here. And also some protocols or rules or like something here. I don't know. privacy, donors, contact. This is really crazy stuff, man. I don't know what it is. If you guys really have gone previously or know what is, so comment it out. I don't know. Let's go to the chat. See here what's going on. Oh, it's also like the same we have visited, I think, the black hat chat there. It's the same like Windows. People are talking to each other, sending some random links, but you probably not wanna visit any of it. Okay. It's been also again resolving in the captcha, like there is 3 we have been completed by 2 by just waiting. We have to do nothing. So I have completed 2. Let's again complete the 3. Then I think we wanna probably reply it on the DEEPWEB chat rooms. It's really crazy. It's really crazy. People are here talking a lot of stuff in here. So let's visit to other link to see what's going on other chat room here. We'll also try to just solve this what it is. I don't even know. I'm just clicking this and just went through it. Go with upstore. It's reloading as the Tor browser is crazy, as it's really so slow here because it goes to a different proxy in all over the world, so it's slow. So here you can see a lot of people are talking on the Dolphin server. Let's message one of it. Oh, to message also we have to again resolve to captcha here. So let's try to again resolve with the given name. I'm making a new group here to see what's going on. I don't think it's not a complex. I will definitely do it. Let's again solve this captcha with I think the beginning node and exit node. You have to find the two entering and exit number. So to solve this captcha in here, okay, it's let's again so you have also visited the DARKWeb chat, a cool wallpaper stuff like Windows app I've just opened. I don't know what it is. Let's enter the nickname and the password, and this the captcha, like you have to give just to verify that you are a human, not a bot. Okay, so it's been doing. It's not opened, so let's try another one. the nickname lazy, whatever well. Again doing the whatever well password like, and yes, we are in. Boom. Here is also the same like Windows, like we have previously seen the Black Hat, Dark Forest, and the BNC Rabbit. Like here also some people are talking the same like stuff in air, but you're gonna probably reply to some of the people here to talk them randomly, find out if they are a hacker or not. Here is also given so many links in here. People are sharing, I think, the dark web links to each other. So I don't know what it is. If you guys know, please let me know. We have far visited the 3 dark deep web chat rooms. Okay. So well, again, let's see if you can talk in here or not with the individual guy, the random person. It's the DNMX. I don't know what it is. It's really a scary place. I again remind you, don't go there without a good VPN. And as fair as possible, try to keep your identity hidden. People can redirect you to the various link and can cause you a lot of harm to their system. So don't try to visit every the links that you don't know. As we have explored the deep web chat rooms here, so you can see people are like, I don't know where are they or who are they. So it's better to don't go deeper into them. So if you guys like my videos, please like it, share it as possible. It really give me a good motivation to do more like this crazy stuff. Okay. So it's the same the stuff that I have been in the different deep web chat rooms. They are sending the links or just helping each other. I don't know, but here you can see mostly are offline, so I can't find any online to talk. So I can talk to individual guy, but I will try in next video to find some random hacker or a guy in the deep web. Today I have just entered in the deep web chat rooms here, I think. Okay. Probably the Black Hat, Dark Forest, and Aryan Rabbit all are just providing the same stuff, same the chat room here. So So in another video we'll explore some of the main deep web chat rooms in the part 2 video. So guys, just like, share and subscribe my channel. So today we have explored the deep web chat rooms. I don't know what the guys are talking and sharing the links. You probably wanna visit, but I recommend you don't go to the link that you don't know. Maybe the malware, trojan or worms can be hidden there, so they can track you with the IP address you opened it and make a cause of harm to you. Okay. So now let's end up this video, and hope you guys have enjoyed the deep web chat rooms here. Yeah, and it's scary. People are talking a lot about the drugs, like stuff. Okay, fine guys, we'll end up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.